Hey y'all, and thanks for stopping by Designed by Kathy. Well, as promised, I told you that we were going to do some family pourings while I was in Texas. And I'm here, it's been glorious pool weather, and we've been having a great time. But today, we're going to paint, and I have with me my great niece, Karley. You want to wave? Yeah. And I have my sister, Lisa. Hi y'all! So, we're going to get set up and get right to it. Thanks for stopping by, and you're going to not want to miss this. So we've got our paints mixed together. Karley has chosen a pretty purple, some white, this turquoise, and pink with a little glitter in it. These are all the colors in her room, and so she chose these colors to use to do her room. So what I want to do is we're going to do a dirty pour. You've heard me talk about a dirty pour, Karley, haven't you? And I'm just going to start layering back and forth the colors.
Stir it up.
Nope. We don't want to stir this one up. I'll move these out of your way. Now, Karley, we're going to start with yours, and then we'll go next to Lisa, also known as Lily, right?
Right.
So, how do we want to pour it? You want to just start pouring it in the middle? And just pour it a little circle. Yeah, there you go. All over your canvas. Just pour, pour, pour.
Oh, wow, that's pretty already.
Really pretty colors. Look, that made a little flower. Keep going.
Pour all of it?
Yeah, I want you to pour all of it. Keep pouring just like you're doing. That is perfect, Karley. That is perfect. Now set that aside. Now, you know how we set it up on the thumbtacks here? Put your hands under here, and I want you to gently start letting it roll off the edges. And you can let it go all the way over. There you go. Get us. Keep doing that. Oh, yeah, cool. That's perfect. Let it go. So you want to get your corner here. Oh, that's perfect. Let's turn it around this way. There we go. Okay, now let me turn it for you. You're good. Now I want to keep doing it. Look how pretty. See those in the middle? Those are the cells.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Get the corner. Here we go.
I'm going to go ahead and start doing mine too.
Okay, let me see. Okay, and we're gonna let Lisa start hers. Oh, you've got your pour ready. Okay, perfect, go
Yeah, I
ahead.
think I'm ready. I'm going to do the same thing.
You're gonna do the same thing? Okay.
Yeah.
My gloves are clear.
Well, they've got paint on them.
I think I'm done.
You think you're done? I do too. Do you see any spots we missed on the edges? Oh, no. Let's don't put it in the middle because we don't want to mess that up. Just get your edges. That looks perfect, Karley, and the colors are awesome. With 4th of July coming up, Lisa chose red, white, and blue.
It looks pretty cool.
It does look pretty cool.
Like Caleb would like that, I think. Hey, we could probably put this in my room and that in Caleb's room.
Why don't you pull here? Let me help you get your gloves. Oh, let's get your gloves off.
Can I go back that way?
Yeah, it's just shifting. It's not dumping. Karley, don't pick yours up.
Yeah.
Yours
Oh,
is
yours
perfect.
is gorgeous.
Perfect.
But it's going to have to dry.
How long does that take?
It'll take a little while. Hey y'all, thanks for watching today. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope this will give you some ideas of something super fun to do over the 4th of July that's coming up soon, and get with your friends and family and just have a pouring party. And you know what? I thank you subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I love your comments. And so hey, if you're just dropping by, Karley, who do they need to watch?
Designed by Kathy.
Well, you gotta say it where they can hear it, girlie.
Designed by Kathy.
There you go.
It's
And,
on
hey,
YouTube.
and Karley, can you tell them, give a thumbs up? Can you do the thumbs up? Thumbs up. Thank you. And I want to thank Lisa, and I want to thank Karley, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.